doesn't want to wear high heels? All girls, all ladies, even oldies. High heel पहन के किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता? After all, you get attracted in the society. You look taller, smarter, and after all you feel good. Feeling good is the best thing. After all, it is the feel which matters. But what happens at the end of day? Don't you feel tired? Don't you feel exhausted? Aren't you all the time conscious that you can fall? High heels is good, but it is very bad for health. एक्चुअली होता क्या है कि आपका जब आप हील पहनते हो तो आपका पूरा पोस्चर चेंज हो जाता है, आपका सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ही चेंज हो जाता है, और हाई हील पहन के आपका सारा प्रेशर आपके टोज़ पे पड़ता है. जब सारा प्रेशर आपके टोज़ पे पड़ता है, हील से लेग में ऊपर की तरफ जो लिगामेंट और टेंडन जा रहे होते हैं, मसल होती है हैमस्ट्रिंग, एक्किलिस टेंडन होता है, इट गेट शॉर्टन, ये छोटा हो जाता है. ये क्रॉनिक यूज़, जितना ज़्यादा हील पहनते हैं ये टेंडन उतना ही छोटा होता चला जाता है. टेंडन छोटा होने से बाद में जब आप फ्लैट्स पहनते हो तो आपको टांग में बहुत दर्द होता है. इट एक्स रियली बैड. और ऐसे धीरे 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 हील्स पहनते हुए आपको एंकल पेन शुरू हो जाता है, आपके नीज़ में दोनों जॉइंट्स के बीच में प्रेशर चेंजेस आ जाते हैं, आर्थराइटिस, नीज़ की प्रॉब्लम, बैक की प्रॉब्लम, ओवरऑल बॉडी एक्स की प्रॉब्लम, ये सब बढ़ जाती है. जो आर्थराइटिस आपको 40 के बाद होती थी वो आपको यंग एज में 20s में 30s में ही शुरू हो जाती है. सो आफ्टर ऑल यू बिकम ए ऑर्थोपेडिक पेशेंट. नॉट ओनली दिस, आप जैसे पूरा प्रेशर टोज पे जाता है वहाँ पर प्रेशर पॉइंट्स बन जाते हैं, आपकी जो सॉफ्ट स्किन है इट बिकम्स हार्ड, हेमरटोज बन जाते हैं, प्रेशर सोर्स बन जाते हैं. देन यू नीड टू टेक सम ट्रीटमेंट फॉर दैट. Always in subconscious mind you will have this fear. So all the time your mind is engaged in one more activity. आप जो भी काम करना चाह रहे हैं उसके अलावा आपकी एक्टिविटी हमेशा दिमाग में रहेगी, मैं गिर नहीं जाऊँ. So basically you are not at comfort. Even if you are looking good, you are not at comfort. All the time you are thinking कि I may not fall. Of course, because it prones you to fractures and falls. ज़्यादा हील पहनने से गिरने का खतरा हमेशा रहता है. When you are flat, your confidence level boosts up like anything. Wearing heels can make you comfortable for some time, but not always. It definitely at the end of the day reduces your efficiency. It reduces your work performance and you do not feel as good as you should be. So wear heels, but then there are certain precautions. Sometimes you have to wear it for a shorter time. Okay, you wear it, but then there are certain relaxing exercise. You know, when you're wearing heel, the part of the toe is touching the floor, and whatever be the height of heel, 2 inch, 4 inch, 6 inch, it is off the ground. So that much part of the leg, the tendon gets short. Once you come back home, you need to relax. Like if your toes, your foot remain in this position all the time, suppose this is the ankle, so after the end of the day you have to do a gentle exercise and you have to stretch the back of your leg so that whatever was the shortening of the tendon that gets corrected and you get certain relief in your leg. Like for the ankle joint you can do these movements: completely in stretch, completely out stretch, completely in stretch, completely out stretch. However, you have to strike a balance. Like whenever it is needed you wear, but you wear the right kind of heel, right, which makes like the difference between the front part of the foot and the hind part of the foot is not more than 1 inch. So you can get comfortable heels and you can all the time look smarter and plus comfort level, and you are not prone to injuries and you are not putting yourself at a bigger health risk. हाई हील नहीं पहननी चाहिए, बट देर आर सर्टेन ओकेजन्स यू वॉन्ट टू लुक स्मार्ट, ट्रेंडी, फ्रैंकी, एंड you yourself want to stand out in the crowd. So what to do then? For ladies who are middle age or young girls, on sari nobody would like to wear flat chappals. It just looks like, you know, bhenji or auntie ji or mata ji. But then for them also you've got to choose the right kind of shoe, because the right kind of shoe or sandal will make you comfortable all through your work, all through your day. And the right kind is the one, something like Dr. Sole one, which are available in market. The only thing is that the whatever heel you should wear, it should be broad based, right? And the difference should not be more than half an inch. As I said, one can do certain relaxing exercise at the end of day. Already in India, most of the women remain indoor. There is osteoporosis, bones are already weak. If you fall once, and you know, bone pain, once it happens, it remains all through your life, whatever might happen. So first thing is, make yourself safe and comfortable. Wearing flat prevents you from sprain. मोच से आपको बचाती है, इंजरी से बचाती है, फ्रैक्चर से बचाती है, आपकी परफॉर्मेंस को इम्प्रूव करती है, सबकॉन्शियस लेवल पे आपको गिरने का डर नहीं रहता. यू कैन run for long hours, walk for long hours, and you can do any kind of work you are doing. And why take unnecessary pain by wearing the shoe which is not right kind for you? So it is always better that we should choose the healer heels rather than killer heels. You know, killer heels can make you prone for so many diseases, but wear the healer heels so that you are always safe.